Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Civil HTS. Today I'm creating this video on a different topic that is about ChatGPT using with AutoCAD. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is it is a AI program which is using in the multiple field, but how we can use it in the CAD field. So first I'm going to show you how we can use the ChatGPT and then I will show you how we can use it with the AutoCAD. So for that let's go to the Google Chrome. Here in the search engine I am writing ChatGPT. This one is the AI website. I'm gonna log in direct to the chat GPT login. So if you don't have account, you just simply click on sign up and then enter your email here and then you will get the confirmation email and then you can use it. I have already logged in my chat GPT here. So this one is the chat GPT window. We can see like this. We have two type of chat GPT. One is free version and chat GPT 4 is paid version. So in the chat GPT 4 have more advanced feature, but I am using the free version here. I am opening the AutoCAD parallel. I already opened this file and I attach some Xrefs here. So we will create AutoCAD list for this Xref for binding. Like for example, we are going to bind here one by one, or else we are selecting all the files, right click bind. So I want to create a list without selection, bind all these Xref. This one ChatGPT created for me the list for the binding. It is not mandatory that ChatGPT will give you the 100% result first time. You have to work on it. If you are getting error, the same error you have to copy and send it back to ChatGPT and ask it to make it correct. For example, I asked from the ChatGPT, my question was I want to bind the Xref in my CAD. Create list for me. Even the band spelling is incorrect, but I just hit enter. Then the chat GPT create this list for me, and below the chat GPT give me some instruction how you can use it. This will be the command for the binding. Okay, so I have to just simply click copy this code, open AutoCAD. Here I am giving the command vlist. Sometime you will face issue here, but if you guys are facing the issue, let me know. I will create a video for that also. Here new file, just paste the code here. You guys can see this will be the command bind xref. I'm gonna save this one. So I have already before this file name. I want to replace it. Yes. Then close this. I have to load this list. AP enter. Just simply click here. Load. Here I am giving the command band xref. You guys can see it is asking from me the name. Then I told to the chat GPT I want to bind all with one command. So then the chat GPT give me this another code. I am copying this one also. Minimize. Go to the same area. Control A. Backspace. Control V. Now this time the command will be bind all xref. Okay, so I'm gonna save as because I don't want to use this name for this list. This one will be the command copy, save, close, load again. This one is the new list, always load. Give the command, enter. As I told you before, you will not get the 100% result first time. Sometime you will get the result quickly and sometime you have to do work on it. I just simply copy this error and paste it here. And then I told to ChatGPT solve this. And then the ChatGPT give me the another code. I just simply copy. I'm doing the same method again. This time I'm giving the command bind xrep all, hit enter. You guys can see all the file has been banded. So this one is example which I used before. I explained this one because I get the result. I tried on it multiple times, but finally I get the result. Now I'm gonna give a live example for the small list. I will ask from the ChatGPT that create a list for the total length. For example, this one I have opened a new drawing. I'm gonna draw here polyline, line and arc. Sometimes we have a lot of multiple objects and we need the total length of all with one click. So for that I'm creating the list. Click on new chat, okay. And then I'm asking from the chat GPT that create AutoCAD list to show the total length of the objects. Sometimes the chat GPT will not give you the correct result. In that case, you have to keep asking from the chat GPT. Sometimes your question will be correct, but the chat GPT will not give you the correct result. I am telling about the chat GPT 3.5. Chat GPT 4, I didn't try it. I am telling about the chat GPT 3.5, which is free version. So sometime if I ask from the chat GPT give me this, so it is not giving me the correct result, then what I am gonna do, I am asking the same question in different way and keep asking again and again until I didn't get the correct result. So you have to do the same also. If it is not working, sometime I am creating a new chat and then asking in the different way until I didn't get the correct result. Hit enter. The chat GPT is creating the list of the total length now. So the command will be total length and the code is ready. Click copy, minimize. This time I'm creating a list in the different way. Right click, create a text document, open, right click, paste it here, save as. I am giving the name TL dot. The extension should be LSP. Save, minimize. Okay, right click properties. You can check it is a list file now. So ignore this text file, follow this one. Drag and drop here. Okay. And now I'm giving the command total length. It is telling me select the object, select all object, right click enter. You guys can see the total length is 11.74. So that's it for now. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. If you guys have any question, you guys can send me email or you guys can message me in the Facebook group. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Bye.